Today we're diving into my May income for 2024 of how much I made on YouTube with courses, affiliate marketing, selling digital downloads, courses, memberships, virtual assistant speaking, all of that. We're going to get into it. As you can see, here are my income streams with how much I made in this actual column. I am going to show you my YouTube analytics, behind the scenes, all of that. But if you're wanting to start your own online business or side hustle and you don't know where to start, I have this free download for you. It's the Discover Your Own Side Hustle, and it's a guide that's going to walk you through step by step to figure out how to monetize your skills. I feel like that's something I'm really good at, is saying, okay, what skills do you have? Are you a former teacher? Are you looking to get into retirement and, transition that way? Are you a stay-at-home mom? Or what skills do you have? How can we monetize those skills? How can we add on income streams? How can we let you stay at home? What can we do? So here it is. I'll have a link for you down below in the description box. Just put in your name and email address and you'll get that free download. I also have an article going over all of the income streams in more detail as well. So definitely check out this article down below in the description. It'll be linked for you. But jumping right in is affiliate marketing. This month I made $2,693.02. This consists of everything from cashback apps to services like Flowdesk or Thrivecart, different things like that. Different services and products that I personally use and that I also recommend. So with affiliate marketing, I get a little bit of a kickback for using my link, just the same as I were to recommend a restaurant or something like that. And the restaurant is like, hey, thanks for telling your friend about us. Here's $5. So that's exactly what affiliate marketing is. It's just a little kickback for me recommending my favorite products and services, which is awesome. So if you do see any links down below in the description or my articles, then if you use my link, then most likely I will receive some sort of kickback for that. So thank you so much, but I am very, very, very particular of what brands I work with. I get pitched probably 20 to 30 times a day of new brands that want to work with me, and I say no to like 95% of them. Typically, the only brands that I work with are ones that I've seeked them out and said, hey, I love your product or service. I love using it. Can we work together? That's how I get most of my affiliate marketing, is me reaching out to them. Okay, next is digital products. I made $135.20. I have Excel templates and printables, different things like that. I sell them both on my website and also on Etsy as well. It's the same products in both places. And I just get traffic from Etsy, and then I get traffic from my website as well. I'm actually working on a social media ebook, so that is going to be coming out in a couple weeks. So by the time they watch next month's budget report card, I'll have that new product for you. But I'm working really hard on this new ebook, and I'm really, really excited for it. But that is going to be my next product offering. Next is YouTube ad revenue. I made $286.97. So this is off of both channels. I have two channels. I have this channel that you're watching on, which is my online business channel, and helping you start online businesses with tutorials, different things like that. And then I also have a personal finance channel as well that I'm taking a break from. So let's look at the analytics first of this channel. So we are going to look at April because we're a month behind. So in April, I made $52.23. This April was the first full month that I've been monetized through ads on this channel, which is really exciting. So this month in April, I had 5 uploads, and I had 11,000 views, 628 hours of watch time, 64 subscribers, and AdSense revenue was $52.23. My top videos was Moon Palace Cancun. This is a travel vlog. I have a Hawaii vlog that I filmed in March that I still have not edited. It's like 80% edited, but I really need to get it done because it was a really fun vlog in Hawaii. So I have to do that. But travel vlogs, I love doing. You can see they do pretty well on this channel. And I love to incorporate into my online business channel of what online businesses can do for you and the travel and the things that you can do. Like I went to Hawaii and didn't have to take time off work. I didn't have to ask my boss or anything like that because I am my boss. So that's really exciting. Then we get some Etsy videos that have done well. These do well every single month. These are just high SEO videos, which is awesome. YouTube browse versus search. That video is doing well and then Instagram posts in 2 minutes. This is with Canva. Let's look at revenue because that's what everyone likes to see. And as you can see, we are working on the month. Actually, this isn't my first full month. Next month will be my first full month. So the $52 of AdSense, that is only from April, 19th on to the 30th. So only, like 10, 11 days that this is monetized for $50, which is great. So it's $2, $5. The highest was $8. So that is the monetization. You can see in May, it's going to be quite a bit, almost 3 times as much in May. So let's look at the RPMs. I love looking at RPMs. So we can see here that it ranges everywhere from this video that got 3,000 views and made $16 because the RPM is $4.34, which is, that sucks. Then this video was $19 CPM and only 210 views, and I got $4. So CPM, it varies. It really does. This video, how to balance a side hustle and a full-time job, it's $67 CPM, which is great. Only 11 views. I made 74 cents. So if we could get this video to have some more views, that would be awesome. But it really does vary. It honestly also varies on the day. Sometimes I look at the CPM and it's a lot. So that is my tutorial channel. Let's move on over to my main channel here, my personal finance channel. And this channel has 53,000 subscribers, but honestly, I have not been posting. I've been taking a break from this channel just because it has the invalid bug traffic and it's so frustrating with this channel. So I'm taking a break from it. In April, we did 3 uploads here. And so with it, I got 21,000 views. Now that's over 1,000 videos that I have on this channel. So the views have just been tanking. And, part of that is because I'm not uploading. So the algorithm is kind of punishing me. But even with the invalid traffic bug, my views are just getting suppressed so much. So I'm just over it. I want to lean all in on the other channel, at least right now. So I was typically getting 100,000 views every single month. So now we're at 21,000. So that's a fifth of what I was getting, which is so frustrating. And I was getting about $1,500 a month as well. So we're not doing too well over here. Top videos are Why I Don't Follow Dave Ramsey, How to Redeem a Visa Card on Fetch Rewards, another Fetch, Rakuten, Cashback Apps. You can see that these are the videos that are doing well. These are very, very good search videos, which is awesome. All right, let's look at revenue. And for April, so CPM on these, let's see here. So, or RPM. So cost per thousand, this is what YouTube pays me. This one has 1,100 views, 1133 for the RPM, $13 total, $10, $7 RPM. You can just see it's kind of hovering around there. Let's see if we have any high ones. I doubt it. Oh, this one is 100. 5 side hustles you can start this week. I got 13 views, made $1.38, and the RPM is $105. So that's awesome. But it only got 13 views. I wish that got a lot more views, but it is what it is. But as you can see here, this is the difference that RPM makes. So these videos got basically the same amount. They're a penny different. This got 13 views. This got 134 views. But you can see here that this is a $10 RPM and this is $105 RPM. Next is courses. I made $416.50 in courses. I have 2 courses. I have Dream and Profitable, which is my entrepreneur course. And this course helps you if you're a beginner, if you're wanting to become a virtual assistant, a freelancer, coach or mentor, start a YouTube channel, a blog, podcast, selling digital products. I'm actually adding a new lesson. I'm filming it this weekend or next weekend, filming it on becoming a bookkeeper. So that's going to be added as well. But if you're wanting to start any of these, this is going to be a great course to walk you through the basics of starting these things. We go through confidence and clarity, revenue streams, systems, the legal aspects of running a business. This is taught by Erica Kohlberg. I'm sure you've seen her all over social media. The financial, sales strategies, mindset, goal planning. Also have bonuses. We have live monthly group coaching calls to get those questions answered for you. So you have no questions as you go. We hop on calls. It's been profitable for you. So this is a really, really fun course if you're a beginner. And then I also have a course on saving money on groceries. So if you're wanting a super basic course on how to meal prep, how to meal plan, how to shop your pantry, how to combine that with sales cycles, all those things, this is a great course. It's only $19. It's on sale. So that is another course that I have. Memberships. Next is memberships, $178.47. I'm starting a new membership next month. The date hasn't been released yet, but it's going to be a YouTube specific membership. I'm actually starting it with Mary from Pennies Not Perfection. And it is going to be a really fun course on membership. So if you're wanting to make money with your YouTube channel and how to grow a business around YouTube, this is going to be a great membership. I also have my membership, which is Next Level membership. And this is if you're wanting to take your business to the next level. And we have mastermind calls. We have mastermind calls, 2 mastermind calls every month. We have live lunch and learn topics. This topic this month is going to be on social media and how do you do social media for your business. Co-working sessions, a library of trainings as well. This is a fun little testimony I just got. Kelly brings her real world experience to her clients. Her authenticity along with her expertise is what led me to join her Next Level membership. She over delivers in every aspect. I'm so grateful to be part of this space she has created for us. I've already stepped out of my comfy space, which is what I needed to scale my business. I can't wait to see what's next. Thank you, Kelly. I love it. So that is Next Level membership. Virtual assistant. I'm a virtual assistant for a local realtor. I do some social media for her, so $250 for that. And then speaking, $50. I have a speaking gig this fall that I'm doing, but because I got my talk in early, they gave us a $50 bonus for getting our talk in early. But the speaking gig isn't until this September. So total income was $4,010.16. And then let's look at expenses because it's really important to see what you're spending on business as well and not just revenue, but we want to look at the total package. So education self-development, I bought a mini course for $17, got some blue light glasses. I had LASIK done this month, LASIK eye surgery. So my eyes are so much better, but I want to protect them. So I got blue light glasses. This was like a 2-pack for $18 on Amazon. Etsy ads, this just runs in the background. I don't do anything with them. 45 cents for that. I had a lunch meeting, and that was $46. And then these are just the expenses that it takes to run my business in the back end. Some of these are yearly ones, like Dubsado is yearly, TubeBuddy is yearly, Backblaze is yearly, Teachable, Stand Store, all of these are yearly. So this is a high month, $1,800, because a lot of these have all hit this month, which is frustrating, but it is what it is. And then these are expenses that I have every month, which is my internet, my cell phone, Teachable fees, Stripe fees, Etsy fees, and PayPal fees that I pay each month. Project manager, $300 twice, so a total of $600 for my project manager. So total of all expenses was $2,572.34. My total revenue was $4,010.16. Owner's pay, this is what I pay myself, which helps pay my mortgage and puts food on the table for my family, is $2,807.11. Operating expense, 30%. That's my goal. My goal is to reinvest 30% back into my business. That would be $1,200. But as you can see, we spent $2,500, so that we went over this month, but that's okay because I have a fund where I am, I have a savings account for the business, so that's totally fine. Total hours worked, 56 and a half hours. So let's look at my time. I use Toggle to track my time. Like even right now, it's running. So filming, 21 minutes, you can see here. So they also have reports, which is awesome. So let's look at last month, and I spent 56 hours and 27 minutes, so 56 and a half hours. And I love that I can see what I'm spending my time in. So I can see here that most things that I spent my time was newsletter, membership, products, research and scripting, blog, social media editing. So I can see exactly what it is. So I love that I can track all my time in here and can see how much I'm working, how many days I'm working, how many hours in a day. Like this day was 5 hours, this day was 34 minutes. So I can see how much each time, and then I'm taking days off as well, which is important. So I'll have Toggl linked for you in the description as well. I love Toggl. I've been using it for years now. So hourly rate is $70.98. My goal is to have my hourly rate be $100 an hour or more, but we have been, kind of low on the revenue. I did a video a couple weeks ago where I talked about how I'm with the transition of moving away from my personal finance brand onto the online business brand, side hustle brand. I'm noticing that I'm going to have a dip in revenue for a little bit, but I expect it to go up a lot more in Q3 and Q4. So right now, if we look at the year, so let me actually make this a little bit smaller so that we can see or take away the future months. I'm going to hide these columns. Okay, so as you can see, this is the hourly rate here. We've been under $100 every month, but I'm hoping that we're getting back into it. I also want to work on working a little bit less. Like you can see in March, I worked 97 hours. That was just too much. So I'm trying to work more in the 50 to 60 hour range. So this month was great, but we got to get that revenue up. So I'm working on things in the back end to really try and make Q3 and Q4 a lot higher. So it's frustrating that I'm having these lower income months, like especially last month, that really sucked. That was a hit to the ego, but it is what it is. And, I think that I'm still going to have a great year overall, and that I need to remind myself that it's not just each month that I'm looking at. We're looking at it as a whole. And there's going to be ebbs and flows, and that's just part of running an online business. And I need to keep my mindset right and keep pushing forward and keep adjusting. So overall, affiliate marketing this year, so far in 2024, I've made $8,569.25. Courses, $6,936. Sponsors, $2,100. Freelance, $1,250. Memberships, $1,247.42. Google AdSense, $1,218.35. Digital products, $812.60. Coaching, $487.02. Blog ad revenue, $56.75. I've taken ads off my blog, so that's why you're not seeing that. And then speaking, $50 for a total of $22,727.39. Average hourly hours worked in the month is 72 hours, and average hourly rate is $65. So that is my income for the month of May. Next, check out why I am taking a step back in my main channel. I have all the details here in this video.